The Nigerian students loan offers a better future to poor Nigerian students, but if you are not careful, it might be dangerous for you to even apply for it. Join me in this video as I discuss the dangers of collecting the students loan that people are not really talking about. The media are not really talking about this. If this is your first time of watching my videos, I'm Raphael and currently a pharmacy student at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. And if you are a student, do well to click on the subscribe button because this is students' home. It's important that you know that if you receive the students loan, you will start paying it back 2 years after completing your NYSC. That means you are going to pay it after you have graduated from school, and the government will automatically be remitting 10% of your salary upon payment. That is, once you get a job after 2 years when you are done with your NYSC, and you'll be paying it 10% of your salary monthly until you are done with the payment. But eventually, upon graduation, if you are self-employed, you will be remitting 10% of your monthly earnings to the commission, so that to make sure that you pay up your bills. So if you are this type of person that is self-employed after graduation, make sure that you submit your business details to the government or to the commission. Make sure that you also submit the shareholders of the business and also the business account. Make sure that you do this before the end of 2 months that you have started the business. If not, you will be fined 500,000 or maybe 2 years of imprisonment, or even both. One of the dangers that you might encounter if you use the students loan to complete your higher education in Nigeria is that you might not be able to borrow other loans from other institutions, maybe to finance your business upon graduation. There might be limitations to this, and considering the effects loan could have on the mental health of people, it might increase the suicide rate in the country currently, because come to think about it, the unemployment rate in the country is skyrocketing, and this loan is going to increase the number of people that are applying for institutions because they now rely on the loan, and it will also increase the number of people that are writing JAMB yearly. Also, it will also increase the number of people that will be graduating from institutions yearly. So imagine the amount of unemployment rate that we are going to encounter in the next 5 years in this country. So imagine that you are this type of person that took this loan and you have graduated. Then after 5 years, you are still looking for a job so that you can be able to pay off this loan. Then when you come to think of it, or maybe during your meditation period, you now remember that you are still owing the government more than 1 million naira or more. Imagine if your parents can train you. Please, I won't advise you to go for the loan, because the Bible will always advise, or the Bible will always say that the borrower is always a slave to the lender. And if you really want to know more about students loan, join me in this video.